Hey guys, Ronald here. If you are experiencing termite infestation at home, like this one, it runs all the way to the ceiling, up to the ground. You can see, we can address that problem by using this anti-termite spray. You can spray on it. But the problem of this one is that we cannot reach the inner part of the wood where those termites are hiding, and slowly working to destroying that area. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to reach those inner parts. Okay, I'm going to get some amount of this termite spray. Then I'm going to use this syringe. So I'm going to sample this area. So just do this process for all the affected areas. Okay, so that's how you are going to be able to reach the inner part of this affected wood, so that we can kill the entire colony. Okay, so that's it. I hope you like the idea, and looking forward to seeing you again on our next video. By the way, I'll just finish all that line, fill it up with this anti-termite spray using a syringe. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.